Previously on Losing It, the wait is over.
Hey, green and our prickly skin.
She feel like she know everything this and now. So I say, all right, Brittany got this. Because Brittany's a big pop, I got this. And Brittany said she got this. Remember, we lose.
Where is it going back?
When I saw that blue team had to go back twice, that wasn't surprising. That's just blue team. So that, that is expected.
People will always throw shade at things that gives light.
7 challenges down, several pounds lost, and only 2 shows to go. Our contestants are on the home stretch. I'm your host, Talia Suarez, and Losing It, the wait is over starts now.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, after our work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, after our work is never over. Work is never over. Do it, work is never over.
Week after week, the contestants have shown that they're getting stronger and fitter and how determined they are to lose it. But before we show you their test of strength and endurance today, let's see how they've been getting on.
So Gillian, you're starting on the booster ball. You're going to do a lateral travel, lateral crossover. And Stacy, you're going to do mountain climb and then lateral travel. Then you're going to switch, all right? So just listen to my directions. Ready? Let's go.
My progress in the gym this week was really good. I would rate it an 8 out of 10. I missed one day, which was a Friday. But every day that I came, Monday to Thursday, I pushed out my all, I did my best. So it was okay.
All right, quickly now, we're switching it up.
My progress this week, turn up in the gym. I listened to Master Brian. He worked me really hard, even though I wanted to give up with the workout, but he said push, 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 and I did.
I did see a change in Stacy this week. There was a little bit more anxiety to work harder because she wanted results. I think one of the things that motivated her was the fact that Carissa had lost 12 pounds, and she was saying that if Carissa can do it, then she can do it.
Last week I gave 80%, this week I gave 100. It's the last couple of weeks we have left in the show, and I want to ensure that my target, at least if I don't meet it, I get close to that target. That's the 50 pounds, so I'm almost there.
Honestly, I must say I found myself pushing more and more because the thing is, I'm thinking that my body might go in a plateau state, which I don't want. So I continue to push myself. But I have a aim. I'm going to, well, at the end of the competition, I want to lose. I started with 265. I want to lose 65 pounds. I want to be 200 flat.
This week, my girls represented a little bit better. There was a time when I thought I was losing it. I had a good talk with them, and I can see where they have accepted that it's necessary and important to act in a particular way, and a certain amount of workload will only yield a certain amount of results. So I'm getting through to them. And out. All right, good.
Okay team, today we're going to be focusing on the glutes and the hamstrings, all right? Carissa is already on the leg press machine, Everall, so you're going to start with deadlift, all right? You're going to do 20 reps each and then you switch positions. And we're doing 2 rounds, all right? Okay then, let's go.
My progress in the gym this week. Well, I didn't come to the gym on Monday or Friday because we went to Emancipation Park on Friday. But apart from that, I came to the gym and I worked really hard this week, so my progress was good. The changes I'm seeing in my body so far in the last couple of weeks, I look a little smaller, I feel lighter, and my clothes fit more loosely. And it feels good, and yeah, it started to look a lot sexier. And I said sexier because I've always been sexy. So I'm looking a little sexier, yes.
My progress this week in the gym was good. I had a major setback. I don't know what the cause for it, but my body was retaining water. From last week Sunday to about Thursday, I only peed 3 times, and I was wondering why. and I'm drinking over a gallon of water per day, and I'm not using the bathroom. So I spoke to my coach. She said to watch it and monitor it also, and but this setback this week really was a good thing for me. It shows that I really have support, because all the coaches came on board and I'm a teammate, and they're really trying to find solution to the problem. Why am I retaining so much water? It went to a point where I got a little bit depressed, in the sense that I gained over 15 pounds, right? And I was working out. I did something new this week. I ran from a community to Excelsior, and I did that twice for the week. And when you look, you come, your body not letting out the water. I don't know what's wrong. But I got the support, I got advice. Master Brian said I must sip the water, and I sipped the water on Thursday, just sip, 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 sip. And I peed 2 more times, and then it just stopped.
My team and the whole body changes that has happened since the beginning of the challenge until now. But Everell is like super confident, because I mean he has the sides of his abs are kind of popping a little, the serratus string a little bit, so he thinks that hey, yeah man, I'm looking good. I mean, look at me. And he has lost a lot of inches too, so he shows up and Carissa, say, boy Sandy, my clothes really fit me much looser now, and things. So I know she's losing a lot of inches. Weight, good, yeah, I'm losing the inches. And they're both feeling very confident within themselves, and I feel very happy for them.
Yellow team, up there. Biggest team. Biggest team.
Okay, Brittany, big pop, ready to work. All right, Brittany, you're going to start right here. Deadlift. You're going to do 10 deadlift. Right, immediately after finish deadlift, 10 jumping jacks. Meanwhile, you're doing the deadlift, big pop over here, on the elliptical. You're not going to stop until Brittany finishes them. You're going to come on, bicep curl with the weights. All right, ready, get started now, ready?
This week in the gym, I think I did like 85%. I attend the gym regularly. However, the work wasn't 100%.
My progress in the gym this week was excellent. But I have to take some time out to do some work in the studio, because I know it's my kind of work, that music is my thing, you understand? But we still have to push out the energy same way, because I know so when time I will stage show a different thing. You see me say the energy I push out more. So it's the energy that we usually get from Big Pop on stage, you will get more right now, because instead of losing it something here, it make the energy turn up. So my progress at work.
Well, this week it was kind of rough for me. Like the self-motivation wasn't really there. The extrinsic motivation was there, but me actually pushing myself, it wasn't there.
The motto for my team is never give up, never back down. And we're not going to back down on a challenge, and I'm not going to give up or back down on my clients. So, I have to work hard to get Brittany in place, and that's it.
Tell your coach that I'm tired, but I'm going to do it anyway. I got this.
Come on, you got this, this. Ready?
My trainer is disappointed, but he still works with me, and that's good. I have one of the strictest trainers, but he understands my body, because I'm the hardest person to lose weight. So every week he tries, I try. So we're not seeing the result we want to see, but at least we're seeing some results.
Well, Brittany surprised me this week, because she went hard in the gym this week. Again, I'm not sure about the diet, but she went hard in the gym this week. Big Pop was here, as usual, doing good. We wanted a little bit more from both of them, but they did well, and I feel good with this week weighing as well, for both of them.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Good.
When we get back, the contestants get in a high-intensity workout session that leaves them breathless. On your feet, 10 jumping jacks. Losing it, we'll be right back.